So we are looking at inequalities, which is 13.6, where we are learning what are these things called. Okay, so you need to know the meaning of inequalities. Inequalities actually gives you a range of values that satisfies the equation. Oh no, so satisfy the inequality. So this is an equation. An equation gives you a definite answer. It means, like, for example, this one here, 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. So we can actually find out the value of x by rearranging the equation to get 7x is equals to 3.5. This is a definite value. If you put any other values inside, you'll be wrong. So for example, if I put 4 inside, if I say x is equals to 4, 4 times 2 plus 3 is not equals to 10, because 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, is not equals to 10. So this is wrong. However, if we are looking at an inequality, we need to find a range of number that will satisfy these equations. So here is an inequality. It says that 2x plus 3 is less than 10. So let me just write 2x plus 3 is less than 10. So I can put a range of different types of answer that will make it correct. So let's try to solve this. Here I'm going to minus 3, here I'm going to minus 3, so I'm going to get 2x less than 7. And here I'm going to divide by 2, here I'm going to divide by 2. So I'm going to get x is less than 3.5. So if I put any number that is less than 3.5, it's going to make the equation correct. So let's try to put if x is equals to 2, 2 times 2 plus 3 is less than 10. Is it correct or not? So 4 plus 3, 7 is less than 10. Yes, it is correct. So this is what we call an inequality. This is an inequality. This is an equation. Okay, so if we need to draw a number line, so now we need to find a solution set which will give you the range of numbers that are correct. So we need to draw it in a number line. Now you notice that our answer is x is less than 3.5. This does not include 3.5. Include 3.5. Okay, so then you can see this is a hollow circle. Hollow circle. So the range is less than is definitely to the left-hand side. Then you just draw an arrow. So this is the range of data that will make the equation correct, no matter until infinity. Okay, the open circle or the hollow circle shows that 3.5 is not included. Okay, if it is included, then it is a solid circle. So let's try to see here if we have an answer. Okay, the perimeter of this triangle is at least 50 centimeter. So it must be 50 or more. So let's try to write it. X plus 2 plus x plus 3 must be more than or equals to 50, includes 50. Okay, so let's just try to solve the equation here. 3x plus 5 is more than or equals to 50. 3x and minus 5 on both sides is more than or equals to 45. Then divide by 3 on both sides. X is more than or equals to 15. So if I want to draw it on the number line, my solution set will be here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on. 15, including 15. So this is a solid circle, and my line will go to the right because it's more than. So this is a solid circle here because it includes 15 because it is equal. You can see this equal, more than or equal to 15. So that's why you have a closed circle and then you need to draw it. So for the questions down here, you need to describe. So for example, the first one, they ask you to describe the inequality of this solution sets. So here you can see 2 inclusive of 2. So just write 2 Less than or more than? Less than and equals to, just write like that. This is the answer for A. Because x is less than and equal to number 2.